Dried cranberries are so healthy, and when you make them yourself, they're healthier and even more tasty than store-bought. They also make a wonderful gift. We made a mistake the first time around, but we learned from our mistake. We'll show you what we mean later in the video. We used Patience brand organic cranberries.
So, Annabelle, are you ready to help me with this?
Yes!
Whoa.
Start by rinsing your cranberries.
Annabelle, we're gonna cut the cranberries in half.
Cutting the cranberries is the perfect job for a kid. It's great practice for their knife skills.
So now we're gonna prepare the syrup. And we're gonna use about half a cup. We're gonna boil it very gentle.
It smells so good!
So we're gonna mix them. They also gonna start like slightly cooking. That also help the maple syrup to get into the cranberry. If you feel that is not enough maple syrup, you can always add more. That's it. They pop when they start getting hot.
They pop like popcorn.
We don't want them to overcook. They lose their form, their shape.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like. It really does help us.
We're gonna put them in the oven. I have these two trays. If you can see here, they are not fully dry. If you try them, they are very good, but it's still missing a tiny bit of sweetness. That's why we're gonna put them again with the maple syrup that we still have in the pot. So we're gonna just mix them with the rest of the maple syrup. So once you mix them well, put them again on the trays. Wow, look at this. They look perfect. So now I'm gonna put it in the jar. They weren't perfect. We should have dried them for longer. They got moldy.
Yeah!
We had to start again from scratch. Let's put them in the oven for 24 hours this time. Annabelle was right to add more maple syrup to the cranberries. It's just perfect. It's not super sweet. It's not super tangy. They are delicious. You're gonna love them. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope that you enjoy making these dry cranberries.